welcome to Willand PE. It's week 7, lesson 1. I'm here with Anya.
Hello.
We're filming this before the roadmap out of this is announced, so fingers crossed we all get good news today, and that we've only got 2 more weeks without until you go back to school. So let's hope, everybody. In the meantime, we're going to work. Anya's got everything crossed like this. Okay, cross everything. That's today's workout. See what you can cross. Okay, come on, we can do it. We've only got a couple more weeks left. Today we're going to do different types of movement, which will then lead into our strength work on Wednesday and our ball skills work on Friday. So Anya, if you can just skip, please. I've got to keep my distance. Yeah, anyway, yes, it. So don't worry about cones again, everybody. Just something outside. You know, you can put plastic bottles or small siblings. Good girl. Right. Have you noticed Anya's now all skipping forward? See if you can skip backwards. Aha, that's all right, you got it there. Don't worry about the cones. You've got that in seconds. Obviously, you haven't got one of those automatic beepers, okay? Can you skip sideways? So remember, that's a cross-leg one. So Anya's crossing the feet there. Okay, so right. I'm going to just change a cone there. Right, what you're going to do, Anya, today we're going to look at, when you, as we did the other day, we're going to look at changing the movement. So we're going to try and get, when you play sport, it's quite often run, jump, change. And you'll see that on Friday when we do with the ball skills, okay? So what I want you to do, Anya, is start from down by the basketball hook there, walk and then break into a skip. Okay, yep. We're just linking movements together, 2 movements, not with the basketball. No, just walking, yep. So Anya's going to walk, then into a skip. Yay, we're going back to school. All right, now skip and then go into a walk. Yeah, so one of those you see is called accelerating. You get faster and faster. And one of them is decelerating, which is getting slower and slower. Technically it's negative acceleration, but you haven't done that in physics yet. Right, okay, do that again then please. So, yep, so if you walk to skip and see how fast you can skip, okay? Walk, 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 skip, 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 skip. Look at that. And then skip, 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 fast and slow down to a walk, okay? So you have to get sometimes faster and then sometimes slower. I'll do it beside you now, 2 meters apart, okay? And then when we get to the cones, we've got to try and skip to the other cone. Yeah, when we get in line with there, we're going to try and race to that bit, okay? You don't have to race, but it just shows that what happens sometimes. So, walk, walk, walk. You went before the line. Oh yeah, you did, yeah, that's right. Okay, wait, we're going to skip from cone to cone and then gradually, and then we're going to skip fast and see if we can slow down to a walk, okay? Ready, go. And did you see what Anya did then? She bent her legs to slow down. So when you slow down, you sink lower to the ground, and that's the braking. And what does this look like? Squats! I told you they come in useful. Okay, good, so that's one. Now imagine we're going to go to a skip to a run. So you're going to skip from there, when you get to the cones, run. Okay? We'll just use the cones as visual markers. They're not necessary, but it just helps us as a cue of when to go. All right, go on then. Skip. Run. Is that you running? No. Right, come on then, let's try that again. Come back this, oh, you can run and then skip to decelerate, yep. Run. Very good. Okay, let's skip and then we'll race, okay? Ready, go, skip. That's better, that's better. So everybody, it's always easier having someone else with you. It doesn't really matter who wins, even though Anya did. It just gives you an incentive to go faster. Okay, look at her beaming her face now, right? We'll do that again. Don't cheat this time. You were! Get into that cone first, right? Ready? 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 Who said go? Go. Yes, I've beaten a 10-year, how old are you? 9, 10? Yeah, I've beaten a 10-year-old girl, so therefore I'm obviously excellent. Anyway, I'm joking. Right, so that's forwards and backwards. So we did skip to run, and then run to skip. Speeding up, slowing down. Things rarely happen in a straight line, okay? So what we're going to do now is a sideways shuffle. Okay, we're doing it a bit, you know, you did, yeah, so sideways shuffle like this. Here, yeah, I'm just checking Anya's got that. And then go back like this. Okay, same idea, Anya. You're going to sideways shuffle to the cone and then turn and run. Okay, go. Yes, Jack did this a couple of weeks ago. We're just dialing it up a bit and just adding some variety with this. Yes, so run and then turn to a sideways shuffle, yeah? Good, good, well done. That's right. You
It.
jumped into it, and you jumped up and into it. Try that, see if you can find a different way of doing it rather than jumping.
Is this actually squatting into it?
Try. Run first. That was better. Yeah. So Anya asked me, is there such a thing as squatting into it? We've created a little puzzle. So my friend and mentor Kelvin Giles was saying, create puzzles and let them solve the problem. The puzzle is, how can I go from running to a sideways movement? And it might be that you're running and then suddenly you have to mark someone like this. So try that again. Yep. And as long as it's safe, Anya's finding different ways. Yep, okay, go. Jumped into, so the jumping one you don't like, do you? So maybe the sinking one. Yep, try that. Sinking down when you go down like that, that's it, yeah, okay, go. Yes, and then you'll see Anya's little legs are all getting caught up like a newborn foal because it's complicated. Great. That's just one puzzle. We don't want to do too much to death, but 3 or 4 attempts. Now, so what you were doing then, the only problem with that, Anya, is that you were facing the same way each time. So what I'd like you to do now is run this way and side shuffle facing that way. Okay, so this, every time then you were side shuffling facing me, that's it. So, sorry, side shuffle, that's it down there, facing that way, away from me, face away from me now, yep, that's it. Then turn and run, because then you do the other side. Good, and we make sure we do left and right all the time, okay? Then run and side shuffle facing that way. Okay, go. What did you do there? Jumped into it. Is that what you want to do? All right, let's try that again. So then just ask the question, we can do that, because that's the first time. And if you're practicing on your own, it's very common just to do one side, so that's why we're making sure we do both.
Side shuffle, then jump.
No, it's run and then side shuffle. Very good. Okay, well done. Now, we've got quite straight lines. What we've done is change the way we face, but the pathway is the same. Okay, pathway is the same. Now we're going to change the pathway. Okay, so I'm going to stand on that cone so I'm not in the way. You're going to go, same thing, side shuffle there, run to this cone. Yes, 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 yeah, okay. In fact, I'm changing that. I'm changing that. Because that's a 90-degree angle. That's quite a sharp turn. We'll go to that cone. So side shuffle, because then it's a 45-degree turn. So we've halved the angle from a straight line, 180 degrees. I've got to get my maths right now. Anyway, we're getting to a 45 degree, okay? Forget about halving the angles, right? Ready? So you're going to skip, go back to skipping now, skip, run there, okay, go. Skip. Okay, so there's a little change of direction there. Now you're going to run and then skip. Good girl. Just go round the cone now, because that makes sure, yeah, okay, so same again, yeah, that's it, that's it. Good girl, so skip. Run. Is that you running? All right, okay, then run and skip. Did you go around the cone? No. No? All right, so, okay, so now we're going to start from that side and go over here. So we've got 4 cones, luckily, and then Anya's going to do the same thing that way. Okay, I'll get out of the way. Okay, go. Skip, then run. Yep, go around the cone, yep. Good girl, that's it, okay, and Anya's got into the next one. She did that without me asking her, but she did it anyway. We'll add that in now. Now run and go and skip. Make sure you go around that cone as well. Okay, run, 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 run. Oh, it's all right. It's okay, come back. Okay, run, skip. What did you do there? Yes, because what you did there was that 90-degree turn. So 45 plus 45 is 90. Yes. Okay, so try that again. But this time, okay, because Anya made a mistake there, doesn't matter. What we're going to do is as you're going to jump over this cone, okay? Skip, run, jump. Didn't jump, because you were all chatting there, weren't you? Which is all right. Okay, try that side now. So you're going to jump over that cone. Yeah. Yeah, start from down there. We've got the whole COVID dance going on where we're keeping away from each other. All right. So skip, run, jump. See if you can touch a tree. Okay. But But what was really good, because you had that in your mind, that turn was excellent, Anya. It was really good. You went round that bend. That's the best one you've done, okay? Now, jump, land, run, skip. Because sometimes you jump to catch the ball. That's what we'll see on Friday with Jack. Catching the ball and then you have to go. Okay, yep. Yeah, don't have a little conversation with me. Jump, land, run, skip. Very good, well done, all right? Okay, let's do one more of those so everyone sees. So we've put 3 movements together, everybody, and a change of direction. So it's two change of directions, really. You've got going round the first cone, and then you've got going up and down. Okay, see how we've built it up. Okay, go, last one. Skip, run, jump. I can't even say it, yep. Run, 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 jump. Yeah, there we go. And we're not too worried about, as long as Anya lands safely, not too worried about how far. It's just getting used to the change of direction, and putting 3 different movements together. It's quite complicated. If you're struggling or you want to dial it down a bit, just put 2 movements together. So dial it up. You see how we've changed the angle. I'm not happy about this surface, but then you can make the angle sharper. So at the moment we've got like this 45-degree angle, but then you can make it a 90-degree angle. That dials it up further. That's about it, really, isn't it? Yeah. But create your own patterns. Just make sure you do left and right. Okay? Cool. Thanks for watching. Great job. Bye, and stay safe. Stay healthy. Did you enjoy that?